Here we are in part three again. And look at our chocolate sauce. Success!
Actually, no, it wasn't, but anyway.
Well, looks better than before.
The other time it looked like dog poo.
Okay.
Okay, we're nearly finished cooking this.
And then I will put the chocolate sauce into this bowl. And just you have the camera for a minute. And go around like that. Oh god.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti.
Okay, well, it looks better in the pan. Like square pieces of chocolate.
Okay. Alright.
That was our last chocolate on.
Yes, and it's ruined, so, you know, we don't really want to see that, do we?
It still tastes nice.
So we've got the pan, and we'll meet you back in part 4 for the finished product. See ya!